Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video on this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. This is the Braunability rear entry conversion. We'll notate any items as we walk around. There's a little wear on the bumper here on the front. Overall, vehicle's in good shape. Good tires all the way around. There's a little ding right here. Beautiful gray color on this one. Doesn't look like a wheelchair accessible vehicle until you get to the back here. And then you can see that it's been lowered. This one does have the parking sensors on it, which is a nice option. Like I said, overall in good shape on the outside of the vehicle. We'll go check out the inside. A little scrape here on the mirror. Okay, so with the vehicle unlocked, we just grab this handle here and open it up. It's a manual rear hatch. And then we do have a release here that has the Braun logo on it. So you pull that up, and then I'll grab this handle at the same time. And then the whole ramp comes out. And then this is a bifold ramp, so you just kick that part of it out. And then the whole thing comes down. It is all aluminum, and it's got a nice coating on there for traction. And then this cable here helps with assist to be able to lift that back up in there so it's not super heavy. What's nice about this one too is it does have the optional rear folding bench seat. So if you need to have a wheelchair up in this front position, but then still want to have the seats because those middle row seats fold out of the way, then you just pull this down and then it creates a bench seat for us here. So you have two seats in the back with seat belts and then a wheelchair position up front. So that seat and that seat fold up out of the way. So you either have the two people sitting up front, two people in the middle, and a wheelchair in the back, or flip this down, wheelchair in the middle, and you get all that space out of it. So you still have four seats plus the wheelchair position at any given time. Or you could actually fold all the seats down, and then you have 6 seats if you needed to transport a bunch of people. Spare tire is in here on these Pacificas. You have to inflate it and then put it on the car. It's a really smart idea to have because a lot of these cars now are coming without spare tires. So Chrysler thought of that, so you can still have a spare tire. This is the new design for the Pacificas. So you have a screen here. This is how you adjust the shifter, what gear you want to be in. You have your AC controls, heat and AC. This does have auto start and stop, so when you're at a light, it'll save fuel by turning off. You got interior lighting, rear AC controls, and then you got your straps for your wheelchair here. This one does have the nice slide and click retractor style straps that just lock into those anchor points on the floor. So you have 2 wheelchair positions. Nice diagram to show you how to secure everything in here. So car set up really nice and ready to haul. Wheelchair and regular passengers. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if we can help. We're here and we offer lots of different vehicles.